I think it provides that connective tissue between school and employability. Congratulations, first of all. I really hope this, sparked that joy. And I would say, keep trying, keep exploring your curiosity. And I think it'll get you very far in this world.
Actually, I was very shocked because out of the 10 teams, there are more promising, but probably because our idea is quite different from them.
The mentorship from the mentor, we got grasp of the ideas. They really help us to scope down our problem statement so that we can achieve the effectiveness solution that we can provide.
Most valuable thing I've learned so far is definitely turning my thoughts into reality. After all 17 days of physical workshop with all the wonderful panels, I get to learn both their functional and technical expertise, or the necessary skill set to tackle a real problem.